what can we do to make sure our brain stays sharp? Hello, this is Dr. Hossain from Starling Diagnostics. As we all know, this is the month of June, and this is a month of Brain Awareness and Alzheimer's Awareness Month. And as we are coming to an end of the month, I just wanted to share some points in regards to how we can keep our health and our brain especially healthy. Brain is our control center. It controls every aspect of our life, including emotions, movements, thinking ability. Everything is connected to the brain. And as we age, our cognitive function declines, our ability to reason, ability to function overall declines. There are some lifestyle changes that we can do to prevent our cognitive decline. The physical activity, for example. So studies have shown that about 150 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity per week can improve our brain function. So what is moderate intensity? Like aerobic exercise, walking, swimming, those sort of exercise. It has to be 150 minutes a week. Also food, the type of food that we eat plays a big role. Mediterranean diet, for example, has shown very good results. So what is Mediterranean diet? This is a diet that involves fruits, vegetables, and nuts, seeds, good fat like olive oil. Also, we have to avoid eating food that causes inflammation, like processed food. In fact, we have to go for food that that has anti-inflammatory or antioxidant activities. And which are those? Those are like berries, dark chocolates, vegetables. So these green leafy vegetables, these have antioxidant properties. So over time, the inflammation in the brain goes down if we start using these type of food. Also, omega-3 fatty acids. So fish, for example, fatty fish, salmon fish. It has a lot of omega-3. So these have also shown great results. Vitamin B, vitamin D, these are also very important for us. Sleep, for example, so normal recommendation is 7 to 9 hours of sleep. So what happens during sleep is our memories become, say, for example, strong, becomes more in line. So that's why for the memory, sleep is very important. Stress. Studies have shown chronic stress reduces the part of the brain that is responsible for memory. It is shrunk in people who are exposed to chronic stress. So stress relief is very important. So what can we do? Like exercise can relieve stress. Relaxing technique, for example, yoga, meditation, these also help relieve stress. Finally, what we should do is our brain needs to be engaged with constant stimulation in order to keep it healthy. It's just like exercise. When we're constantly exercising, our muscles get bigger. So constant stimulation of the brain makes our brain stronger. What is constant stimulation? Like, participating in puzzles, riddles, reading more, gaining more knowledge, learning new techniques, new skills. These are constantly engaging our brain. Also socializing with people where our emotions are engaged and reasoning are engaged. So all of this together is very important for our cognitive function in the future. Alzheimer's is one of the diseases, that neurodegenerative diseases, as we know. There's no treatment for Alzheimer's. And Alzheimer's is just like the ability to reason, to function. So we should do something that way we could prevent Alzheimer's, right? There's no treatment. There's some risk factors that are associated with it. There's genetic risk, and then there's people who smoke, hypertension also, and the inactive lifestyle is also linked to Alzheimer's. So adapting these lifestyle changes can make sure our brain is healthy, strong, and sharp, and then it can also lower the risk of developing Alzheimer's. Thank you so much. I hope this helps.